Hello guys, today you're going to learn how to create surveys or quizzes with Google Forms for free. You can just Google Forms in Google and you will see the first link, or you can just go straight to your account, click on this menu, scroll down and select form directly from here. And on this page, you'll see that you can reuse existing templates or you can create a new form from scratch. So we're going to create a new form from scratch today. And here you can see all your questions. On the second tab, you can see all the responses when they added. And on settings, you can set some settings. You can also customize your form if you want. So for example, you can set different colors, different fonts, select an image. So for example, we are going to select the existing image, insert, and it should appear right here as a hero image. And also we can change some font size, font family, background, and etc. So you can play around with these settings. And we're going to name this form as internal survey for team A, let's say. And here I'm going to set some simple description, something like this survey will help us to improve the overall department performance. That's it. And here we can start creating our questions. So for example, in this question, I'm going to ask, how would you rate the department 1 from scale of 1 to 10, something like that. And here I can select if I want it as a multiple choice, as a checkboxes, or drop down short answer paragraph. So in this case, I'm just going to select short answer, and we can see that it displays like this. Here we can duplicate, and I can leave the same question, but it's gonna be department 2, and let's say here I want to select the paragraph instead, so they can add more text in here. I can also make this question required, and we can show it description here and response validation. Here I want to add another question, and this question will be, let's say, do you have another feedback, whatever. We can use this format, and here I'm going to select something like, let's do paragraph 2, and here I want to maybe add some photos, so let me quickly do that. So I just uploaded a photo and it looks like this. Here you can also upload videos if you want, add some links, and also here you can delete the question. And here you can add more sections as you wish. So I'm going to leave this as is, but I'm going to get rid of these sections. And as you can see, you can also change the order of your sections by dragging and dropping each. You can also upload the file here and use something like grids and etc. So you can play around with whatever settings you have to do. I usually just create a simple survey for my team, something like, how do you rate this department work overall, if you have any other comments or suggestions, something like that. So I keep it pretty simple. And once you are done with your form completion, so let me delete this unnecessary sections. So we don't need this. And once I'm done, I can preview it. It will look like this. So I'm just going to click send. And here I can select if I want to collect emails. So in that case, this survey will not be anonymous. But if I do not want to collect emails, then I won't see who submitted the responses. So I usually do that because, you know, not everyone wants to share their honest feedback, so it's easier. And here, let's say I select do not collect, and that's how it looks. Here you can also see the link. You can shorten it if you want, and you can copy and share with someone you need to. I usually just copy the link manually and paste it in the places where I just ask people to fill out the surveys. So now we are not going to do that, and I'm just going to click send. And here I will have to add my email. So for example, I'm going to add this, send, and that's it, it's done. Once the survey is filled, I will see my responses right here. And you can link it to Sheets, and you see that this toggle is on, so you are accepting responses at this time. If you turn it off, that means no one will be able to submit more responses. And on the settings, you can also make it as a quiz. So once you toggle this on, you will see more options. And that's it. I won't be doing that today, so I'm done with my survey. And as you can see, I have total points of 0, and I don't have any responses yet. Let me quickly fill this survey and I'll see if I'll get a response. So I just submitted my personal response, and once I finished, I got this message. So that's how it looks. And now we can see that there is one response. So if I click on it, I will see it like this. And here are my answers. For you, it might look completely different because everything is based on the settings you choose. For me, it looks like this because those were my settings. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.